students, in today's video we are going to talk about carminatives. Now carminatives are the substances that facilitate in the expulsion or in the removal of gas from stomach and intestine. Now gas is caused by excessive swallowing of air or eating certain foodstuffs which are not digested. Now, intestinal gases are composed mainly of nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen and methane. Now, there are three different types of carminatives. First category of agents are the anti-forming agents, for example, C-methicone. Then second category of carminatives are the enzyme-based preparations containing enzymes like alpha-galactosidase, lactase, etc. Then third category of carminatives are the herbs like cloves, nutmeg, cinnamon, garlic. Now talking about the uses of carminatives. Carminatives reduce bloating, discomfort and distension in the stomach and intestine which is caused due to excessive gas. They are used in gripping and colic pain due to indigestion. They are also found to be useful in improving the regular bowel habit. Now let's talk about the first category of carminatives, that is a C-methicone. It is an anti-foaming agent. It reduces surface tension of small gas bubbles in the GIT, and this action causes coalescence and dispersion of gas bubbles. That is, the gas bubbles accumulate and therefore these are easily removed from GIT tract as flatulence or belching. Now C-methicone is administered orally as tablets, capsules, chewable films as well as liquids. It is not absorbed systemically and is excreted in the feces, and it can cause mild diarrhea and nausea. Now second type of carminatives are the enzyme-based preparation. Now very important to note that when substances not digested in the GIT reach the large intestine intact, they may be fermented by intestinal bacteria, thereby causing gas production. So undigested food is fermented by intestinal bacteria to produce gas. Now enzyme based preparations or dietary supplements prevent undigested substances from reaching the large intestine where anaerobic bacteria produce gas. Thus these preparations containing enzyme or the enzymes aid in the digestion of food. For example, enzymes like alpha-galactosidase. Now when consuming vegetables high in complex carbohydrates, for example beans, it may be helpful to take a product that contain alpha-galactosidase. Similarly, for example, if there is lactose intolerance, taking a preparation containing lactase is useful and it may reduce flatulence. So when digestion is rapid and complete, little or no fermentation occurs. So no gas is produced, and therefore enzyme-based preparations are very useful as carminatives. Now let's talk about the third category of carminatives, that is the herbs. Herbs like clove, nutmeg, cinnamon, garlic, etc. Now these herbs are rich in essential oils with pleasant aromatic taste. Now let's see to the mechanism how these carminatives are helpful in expulsion of gas. Now within minutes, these essential oils which are found in the herb, they relax smooth muscles and they also relax cardiac and pyloric sphincters. Now this relaxation of cardiac sphincter helps in the removal of gas as belching, whereas relaxation of the pyloric sphincter helps in the removal of gas as flatulence. So these essential oils facilitate expulsion of gas from stomach and intestine. Now these essential oils also have irritant effect on the mucous membrane, causing blood capillaries to dilate, and thus there is increase in the blood flow to the stomach and intestine. Now in addition, essential oils normalize peristalsis, that is a rhythmic movement of intestine, and relax sphincters, thereby facilitating the transportation or the forward movement of food, and also make it easier, or they help or they facilitate in the expulsion of gas. So this is how carminatives are useful in facilitating expulsion of gas from the stomach and intestine. So this is in brief on carminatives. If you find the video useful, kindly like, subscribe and share this video. Thanks for watching this video.